Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm actually be showing you the step-by-step guide on how you can start making cryptocurrency 100% passive on multiple websites all at the same exact time, guys. I'm going to be showing you everything inside of this video, so make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money in 2020. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So the first step in this method, guys, is coming over here to Faucet Collector. I'm about to show you the whole step process on how you can start creating some passive income with cryptocurrency. So keep watching this video, guys. So what Faucet Collector is actually a bot that collects all faucets from multiple different websites, guys. There are hundreds of websites that this actual bot works with, and I'm about to show you how you can set this up from scratch and how you can start making some money right now. And on top of that, guys, I'm barely starting to do this method again, and I'm going to stay consistent on this because I'm going to tell you exactly why later on in this video, so keep watching. So once you actually get led to the page like this, look at the pricing. Look how cheap the pricing is. $12 for a whole year, and I believe it's going to be around $3 to $4 every single month if you choose the monthly plan on Faucet Collector, guys. So I'm going to leave the links down in the comment section of this video, and I have used this method for a long time. I just haven't done it recently, just because I recently upgraded my computer so I can start recording better quality videos for you guys. So now let's go inside of this. Once you actually purchase this membership for this actual product, then once we actually do that, guys, I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up from scratch. So once you purchase the product, guys, you're going to get led to a download page, and you're going to download the software onto your actual computer, and there is no viruses. I had this on my last 2 or 3 computers, guys, and so I'm running this right now on multiple actually laptops. So I have one laptop that's running this 24 hours a day on a different somewhere else, not inside of my house. So I'm running that 24 hours a day, and so I'm going to set it up on this actual computer that I'm showing you guys this method on right now. So once you get led to the download page, you're going to get an email sent to you as well for the license to actually use this product. So I'm going to go to finish signing or finish downloading it. So it says loading, please wait, and it's going to be checking for that license key. So this is where you're going to input the license key, and so as soon as you put in your license key, guys, inside of that tab that I just got through getting off of, you're going to get led to a page just like this one, and it's going to open up the bot pretty much to you so you can start using it right away. So it says starting Faucet Collector 2.5.6 Chrome driver, and it just shows you the stuff, that the information that the bot is going to be using. So my license is going to be good for 300 days remaining on your license. First run install scripts are installed, select one and list to enter its settings. So what we're going to do at this point is, if you have nothing inside of this, if you're barely getting started with this method, you're going to go over here to where it says user faucets, and then you can actually use any of these applications or these websites that will get you some free cryptocurrency. So I'm using all of these right here. So I'm using Moon Doge, free Bitcoin, Moon Dash, Moon Litecoin, bonus Bitcoin, add BTC, Moon Bitcoin, Moon Cash, Bitfund, and Coin Apply. But there are hundreds of different websites that you can use. You can just search through them and see which ones you're trying to use on this platform itself. But I would not do so much of them because you're going to run through a problem that I'm going to talk about in a minute on this video, guys. So keep watching this so you can get some good information on how you can start getting some passive cryptocurrency by using this one method right here. So if we go over here to the CAPTCHA settings, we can start setting up the CAPTCHAs as well, and notification settings, scheduler FCCS, which I believe is the CAPTCHA service that you just bought the bot off of. So this is going to be their own bot, which you can actually make money from that website itself. But let's show you through the faucet tab real quick. So within the faucets tab, guys, you're going to select on Moon Doge, and then you're going to type in the information right here in this right hand corner of the bot, which it will show you in a minute. So there you go. You're going to type in your CoinPot email address. So I'll leave the links down of all of these that I'm going to be showing you in today's video. So we're going to type in the email address on CoinPot email address. So I'm going to do ecarreno29@gmail.com. So what I like to do on the actual timer is keep it anywhere between 15 minutes to 20 minutes, just so it can have some space in between it, or 15 to 30 minutes. Let's do 30, just so it can have some space in between the so it can have like a gap. So at the first time it might just do like let's say 15 minutes. Now the second time it might do 28 minutes, or the third time around it might do 20 minutes. So that's going to keep it from you looking like a bot. So it's going to have that gap right there to actually come to this website and then redo all the information and then sign in and do the captcha so you can get your Bitcoin. But once we already put in our actual information for CoinPot, which will be the same email address as you use for this one, and Moon Bitcoin, Moon Cash, Moon Dash, Moon Litecoin, and Bonus Bitcoin, it's all going to be the same thing. So it says use code AdBlocker. So you can use that because once you go on this website, another web browser will show up and that's going to be an ad. So this will actually exit out of that ad real quick and take you to the actual website. So you have a switch captcha. So if you run out of captcha currency, and which I'm about to show you how to set up in a minute too, then it will switch the captcha to whatever captcha service that has money inside of it. Do 3 soft captcha attempts when failed to answer. So that's a really good settings to actually have on, just in case it'll try it 3 times, and if not, then it'll wait for the next 15 to 30 minutes and try it again, and just keep on trying it until something happens or if it goes through. So it says use soft media, which I use soft media every single time because it just clicks on one button and then it's done. So now we have advanced settings. So image captcha override. So on that one, I always do image typers, and then on reCAPTCHA, I always do 2 captcha. So this is my setup that I'm showing you right now in today's video, guys. So you can play with whatever captcha service you want, but I always do image captcha with image typers and reCAPTCHA with 2 captcha. So now let's move on. Let's click on the check mark right here. So now it's live. That bot is live. So if you want to check it out to see if this actually works. So as you can see, guys, I am signed into my account right here, so which you can see my email address right there, and this is Moon Doge. So on the bot, we're playing with Moon Doge. So I'm going to show you that I haven't actually used this method for 1,421 hours, which already accumulated me 1.49 Doge. So I'm gonna not claim it right now. I'm gonna run the bot and let the bot claim it. So before I actually run the bot, guys, I have to come inside of the captcha service and actually type in my API key right here for 2 captcha and for image typers. So let me show you that right now. So now I'm going to show you how you can actually set up the 2 captcha onto your bot, which is going to be right here, guys. So we're going to go to 2 captcha from the captcha tab. So it's going to tell you to put in your 2 captcha API key right here, and you can actually test to see if that's actually correct API key with the right exact amount of money that you're going to be depositing inside of this. And you do not need a lot of money inside of this account. I just recently got through buying like $10 worth of captchas, which I'm going to get that in return from actually the faucets. So this is a really good investment for me. So now I'm going to show you how you can actually input the API key inside of this bot, guys. So we're going to be on the 2 captcha website right here, and we're going to be on the 2 captcha onto the actual faucet collector itself. So now it's going to be asking us for the API key, and I would not recommend you guys type in this API key by hand just because it's shown right here on the screen, because all I got to do is just click on reset and it's going to give you a brand new one. So do not waste your time on this, guys, for just typing it in to see if it's going to work for you. So now once we have our API key right here, we're just going to copy this real quick. So we're going to copy it. We're going to come back over here to the faucet collector. We're going to type that in right there, paste it, and we're going to test and show, which should say 0. Oh, now my balance is already in, so it's going to be $9 right there, guys. So now that worked. So now we're going to do the same thing for image typers. So let me show you how that works. So we're going to come over here to image typers. You're just going to type in your username and password, and then it should work for you. So as you can see, guys, I just got through aborting this because I needed to type in my image typer since I actually activated the faucet inside of since I actually activated the CAPTCHA inside of this faucet right here. So now since I have it all activated and I have it to where it says image typers, image CAPTCHA override and reCAPTCHA override, I have them all set and gone or done. So now let's click on go so I can show you that this method is going to work. So now it's going to start the Moon Doge again, and it's going to restart this whole process where it's going to do everything and exit out of the ad itself because of the settings that we have on this actual bot. So it says use code AdBlock. So now it's going to log into my account, as you can see right here, and it's going to show up it's going to pop up an ad possibly. So that AdBlock is actually going to take away the ad for us, and it's going to keep on going through these steps. And look how easy it's going to be. This is 100% passive after you actually set up all the bots or all all the faucets that you want on this one actual bot, guys. So now we're just gonna let it do its thing. So as you can see, it just started doing the image typers resolving image captcha. So now it's going to see it and going to try out the image typers captcha service for us, 100% passive. And if it does go through, it's going to say either success or logged in or something, guys. So let's just keep on watching and seeing how this actually plays out. So as you can see, it just said login succeeded, and this is a good step in the right direction on getting some satoshis. As you can see right here, guys, we just got a success, 1.49 claim amounts, more info, plus 92% daily loyalty bonus, plus 1% referral, balance 22.35 Doge. So it's closing the browser and it's going to restart the process in about 15 minutes, guys. So the cool thing about this is that if we have all of these waiting, look, it says waiting 28 minutes, and we have this set to 30 minutes. So that's what I'm talking about, that gap space right there, 16 to 20 to 30 minutes. It shows the 28 minutes before continuing. So next time it might be 17 minutes or 18 minutes or 20 minutes or something around there. So now if I set up all of these, it's just gonna go exit out of this browser, it's gonna go down to the next one and just keep moving down the list until the timer comes back to where it's gonna start all over again and start getting us more cryptocurrency. I'm about to show you how this whole process works. So I'm gonna sign into all my accounts and then run the bot for a couple of minutes so you can see exactly how it plays out. So as you can see, guys, I already finished signing into all of my accounts on this bot right here. All the ones that are checked marked are all the ones I signed in for at the moment. So I'm going to show you how this actually works and how it's going to just keep on claiming one after another. Another cool settings or another cool feature inside of this is that you can have a max number of how many servers are open, so websites that are running for you every time. So I can have like 3 websites running every go around, so which means that start max browser at the same time. So it says 2, so I can add 3 of them, so 3 actually faucets are going to be running all at the same time, or however much you want. You can go in here and mess with all of these settings. Just go in there. I already showed you the captchas, I already showed you the faucets, and I already showed you the user faucets. Everything else is just like extra stuff that I don't use personally. So now I'm going to click on go and show you how this actually all works out. So look, it says downloading assets, so it's just going to keep on starting this whole process and just going to go through script after script after script, and every like 5 or every 10 or to 30 minutes it's just going to keep on doing the whole system over and over again, guys. So this is how this actually works out, and this is how I'm starting to make some cryptocurrency passively, 100% passive, after you just do all of this stuff, which does not take that long at all, guys. So it's just going to keep on accumulating me some cryptocurrency for doing absolutely nothing, guys. And cryptocurrency is very volatile, so you can be in profit really quick if you just stay consistent on this method and just keep on saving that cryptocurrency or actually reinvesting it inside of more captchas, so eventually it can become profit and like just pure profit from the get-go. Or you can just invest in something else, guys, to make you even more money. So as you can see, it just says login succeeded. So now it's gonna give me some it's gonna solve the captchas real quick, and then it's gonna give me some free moon cash inside of my coin pot accounts. As you can see, it just got through getting me a successful faucet claim of 0.0001074 moon cash, or yeah, Bitcoin cash, which is passive, guys. I'm just making some free money right here, or I'm just making some passive money right here, guys. And it's just going to keep on going through the whole process. This is going to be coming back. This is going to restart in about 20 minutes for the moon cash, and it's just going to go on to the next faucet. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.